Hello, my dear students. Lecture number 34 for Standard 12, Part 2, Chapter number 1, Differentiation. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from exercise 1.3, question number 5, 8. If y is equal to root log x plus root log x plus root log x plus up to infinity, same type of example, so try to understand. Solution: given y is equal to root log x plus root log x plus root log x plus root log x up to infinity, squaring on both sides, y square is equal to log x plus log x root log x plus root log x plus root log x up to infinity, and you know this part is equal to y, so y square is equal to log x plus y. Differentiate with respect to x. 2y dy dx minus no is equal to 1 upon x plus dy dx. This dy dx transfer on this side, dy dx into bracket 2y minus 1 is equal to 1 upon x, and hence dy dx is equal to 1 upon x into bracket 2y minus 1. Okay. Question number 9. If y is equal to x raised to x, then show that dy dx is equal to y square upon x into bracket 1 minus log y. Now solution: given y is equal to x raised to x up to infinity, so taking log on both sides, log y is equal to x raised to x infinity into log x, so is equal to, this is equal to y, so this x raised to x is equal to what? Y given. So for this I substitute y log x. Suppose this is equation number 1. Differentiate with respect to x. So 1 upon y dy dx is equal to y upon x. So here you use u into v, okay, or what, simply u into v. So y derivative of log, that is 1 upon x, y upon x plus log x into dy dx. Then this dy dx you transfer on this side, so dy and take common, dy dx into bracket 1 upon y minus log x is equal to y upon x, and therefore dy dx, this you simplify, so equalize the denominator, 1 minus log x, y log x upon y is equal to y upon x, and hence dy dx is equal to y upon x, y into 1 minus y log x, and therefore dy dx is equal to y square into bracket x y square upon x into bracket 1 minus log y from 1. Okay, so this is what you have 1, y is equal to log x. Okay, so for this I substitute, for log y I substitute y log x. Okay, so this step is important, try to understand. Next, question number 10. If e raised to y is equal to y raised to x, then show that dy dx is equal to log y square upon log y minus 1. Given e raised to y is equal to y raised to x, taking log on both sides, y log e is equal to x into log y. Here log e is equal to 1. Suppose this is equation number 1, and therefore y is equal to x log y. differentiate with respect to x, dy dx is equal to x into derivative of this plus log y into derivative of this, that is equal to x upon y dy dx plus log y. Okay. And therefore dy dx into bracket log y minus 1 upon log y is equal to log y, and therefore dy dx is equal to, this you transfer, log y square upon log y minus 1. Okay. Now in this lecture I am going to explain you one new topic, that is derivatives of parametric functions. Okay, now you try to understand what is parametric functions. If two variables x and y are defined separately as function by an intermediating variable t, then that intermediating variable is known as parameter. Theorem: if x is equal to ft and y is equal to gt, means both are what? Functions of t, are differentiable function of t, so that y is differentiable function of x, and if d dx is equal to d dx is not equal to 0, then dy dx is equal to dy dt upon dx dt. Okay, so dx dt get cancelled and is equal to dy dx. Okay, now try to understand some questions. Exercise 1.4. Question number 1. Find dy dx if x is equal to 80 square and y is equal to 280. Now these two are what equations. Differentiate this with respect to t. Given x is equal to a square and y is equal to 280, differentiate with respect to t, dx dt is equal to 380 and dy dt is equal to 2a, and therefore dy dx is equal to dy dt upon dx dt. So therefore is equal to 2a upon 280, 2 get cancelled, a get cancelled, is equal to 1 upon t. Okay. Question number 2. X is equal to a cot theta and y is equal to b cosec theta. Solution: given x is equal to a cot theta, y is equal to b cosec theta, differentiate with respect to theta, dx theta is equal to a minus cosec square theta, and dy d theta is equal to b into bracket minus cosec theta cot theta, and therefore dy dx is equal to dy d theta, d theta, so dy d theta upon dx d theta is equal to minus b cosec theta into cot theta upon minus a cosec square theta. Simplify this, minus minus sign get cancelled, b cot theta upon a cosec theta. Okay, and therefore dy dx is equal to, this you simplify, cot means cos upon sine into sine upon a, sine theta upon a, simplify, so this is b upon a cos theta. Okay, now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear students, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.